sizokhuluma ngo-two-pot system, lolu hlelo olusha olufikile lwabasebenzi abasebenzela uhulumeni kanye nabaka-private. Okusho ukuthi lento ebizwa ngo-two-pot akuyona eye-pension fund yethu kuphela. Abantu bonke abasebenzayo aba-contribute kuma-pension fund nakuma-provident fund. Njoba kuzu-1st of September kusuke kuchaza ukuthini-ke kuthina as ama-members. Kusuke kuchaza ukuthi njoba kuzoqala inyanga entsha ewu-September uyaqala ku-two-pot, meaning indlela esesizokhokha ngayo siyahluka. Okuchaza ukuthi sekuzoba khona into ebizwa ngo-savings pot ebese kuba khona le ebizwa ngo-retirement pot. Okuchaza ukuthi imali le esuke uyikhokha khona leluhla sizolibiza ngokuthi u-1/3 uzongena lapha kwi-savings pot, u-2/3 ungene lapha kwi-retirement pot. Labantu-ke abane-service already abasebenzayo bona bangadidiseki bangaze banyukelwa amaphaphu. Kusuke kuchaza ukuthi leyo service yakho ayizulahleka isuke izobizwa lokho ngokuthi u-vested pot, meaning imali yakho lo yenze from udate oqashwe ngayo. It's not that isuke isizongena nayo ku-two-pot. U-vested kuzoba ile period osuyenzile from idate oqashwe ngayo kuze kube u-31 August. Then mhla ka-1 bese kuqala uhlelo olusha. Okusho ukuthi mangabe sesiqala u-two-pot kusuke kuchaza ukuthi wena muntu osukade uvela kwi-service makufika uSeptember 1 it's like manje usuzoba ne-service oyicontributela ngendlela entsha.